What is up, YouTube? It's the Hitman coming to you with the second box. The second box break of the 2 boxes that I bought today at my local LCS of the Panini Prizm. Put that back up there. This is the second box. I'm gonna go ahead and get that busting right now. Tear that open. Got some nice cards out of the other box. Real nice looking stuff. Got a redemption. Sucks that I got that, but oh well, what can you do? Alrighty, 6. There's no more in there. That's the box. Alrighty, we get the busting on these quicker. Hopefully quicker than the other ones. Ugh. Alrighty, we got a rookie, Logan Watkins, rookie. We got a Chris Archer. Got a Jose Fernandez. And we got a rookie remnant of Raymond Fuentes. Oh, that's rookies. David De Jesus and Justin Morneau. Alrighty. Oh, we got a silver. I hope it's an autograph. Coco Chris for Oakland. We got a Jason Gurley for Pittsburgh. Oh, I got one of those glove ones. Got a golden leather of Brandon Phillips. Golden leather for Brandon. It's not a... Oh, this one's autographed. Nice. I mean, not... The next card is autographed. Excuse me. It is a... I guess a silver mojo. Mike Napoli from the world champion Boston Red Sox. And this is number 37 of 75. Nice autograph right there. Well, at least I'm getting some X-Rangers. 37 of 75. That was a nice C.J. Wilson and King Felix. Already got one auto out of the way. Hopefully the other... Hope the other one's a live auto. Jarrett Weaver base. Got a rookie of Andrew Lambeau. Man, he's got freaking dust on him. I'm about to start choking. Mike Schmidt. Next era Jamerson Talon. We got a Edwin Encarnacion. He is hot. Look at all the damn white dust on this crap. And I got for my PC, my Udarv. He's doing good this year too. It's too bad the team sucks balls because the fucking stupid president of the damn club got rid of all the good players. Got a 42 in here. This is a Mike Napoli base. We got a a rookie William Flores, and the number. Oh yes, hook it up. Number 42 is number 42. The Sandman, Mariano Rivera. Let's see what number this is. Could it be? Could it be? Oh! Ho, ho. Look at that. Missed it by 1. 41 of 42. Ah! Would have been nice. Oh, it's a nice autograph. I wish it was a Prism or something else, but that's nice. Jose Altuve. He's doing pretty good for the Astros. Steven Strasburg, wow. Been waiting for his dumbass card. And Matt Winters, alrighty. So both my autographs, both the autographs are on that side of the box. I wonder if that's true in all of them. Got a Prism in this one. We got a Julio Teheran. We got a Curtis Granderson. We got a George Brett. Holy crap! Damn. This motherfucker is bigger from the years before. Pablo Sandoval, the big panda. This is a, can't see it. Can't get it in there. Wonder why not. Well, anyway, it's a Prizm card. Carlos Gonzalez, Albert Pujols. Ozzie Smith, rookie of Ryan Gaines. And we got Chasing the Hall, Justin Verlander. Chasing the Hall, Justin Verlander. That one should have been a Prizm or something. Shane Venturino, Derek Holland for my Rangers. And Yelsel Puig. 6 packs left. I already got both my autos. I don't know what I'm looking for as far as Prizms and stuff. Nothing in here. There is an insert. Jason Kempins, rookie of James Paxton. Too close. A Giancarlo Stanton. We got a Diamond Dominance of Matt Carpenter. Diamond Dominance. We got a Anthony Rizzo. We got a Martin Pardue. Oh, that pack took off. Got a blue Mojo in this one. Jim Johnson. We got a Chipper Jones. We got a Yadier Blue Mojo. Yadier Molina Blue Mojo. What number is this? Oh, 10 of 75. Number 10 of 75. Blue Mojo. Yadier Molina. Adrian Gonzalez. Robinson Cano. Dustin Pedroia. Base. 4 packs left, including this one. Nothing in here besides just a regular insert. Tayoki Kyoto. Rookie Matt Davison. Man, it's got a lot of powder. Garrett Cole for the PC. Ooh. We got a 18 and under U.S. Baseball of Paul Calarco. Insert. Ooh, Jerickson Profile for the PC. Damn, that one's got so much powder on it. Look at that. I don't know if I can show it to you. Look at that. Shoot, I put it down and I looked at it sideways and that is a lot of powder. Look, I even run my finger through it. Oh. Can't even see my finger mark to that thing. Well, anyhow, Jose Reyes is the base. 3 packs left. See what we got. Oh, I got a Prizm in here. Reggie Jackson, rookie Taijuan Walker. I got a Prizm 2013 home run leader. Ooh, that's nice. Prizm. Chris Davis. This is nice. That is a Prizm. Man, why isn't it picking it up? I wonder if it's just all the dust. See, I guess there's a little corner Prizm. Not numbered. Put that there. Ooh, Elvis Andrews. Well, I'm getting all my Rangers out of this one now. Elvis Andrews, Yarnell Escobar, and Carl Crawford are the last two. Last two packs. Last 2 packs, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. Got a Prizm in here. This one is rookie of Cameron Rupp. Freddie Freeman. Rookie Marcus Simonin. And I got a Prizm refractor of Jordan Zimmerman. guess you can barely see that. Jordan Zimmerman refractor. These are not numbered. Marin Bird and Max Switchard. Switcher. Last pack, ladies and gentlemen. And let's see. Ooh, I got something. I got a purple something here. Jeff Bagwell. We got a Henley Ramirez. Got the dumbest fat ass. This guy sucks balls. I don't know why that president picked him up. Can't believe they traded this guy for Ian Kinsler, and they picked up his contract was over $100 million, and let Kinsler go. I think he were owed him 80 or 90 million. I think they owed this guy like 100 and something million, 136 million. He's hurt, can't even hit, and what's his name is tearing it up. 25 out of 99. Chasing the hall. That guy, I don't think that guy's going in the hall. The only thing he's chasing is a damn cheeseburger down the hall. Miguel Montero, David Wright, and Huai Jin Yu or something like that. But that's all the base. Alrighty, folks, that was the second break. Not too bad on the second box either. Got two nice autos. I got two nice autos out of it. I'm happy with it. Not bad. Like I said, I got that Jose Abreu and this number to 75. There's the the Mike Napoli. I was gonna say Mitch Moreland. The 42 Mariano Rivera. That was a nice one too that I missed. 41 of 42. And then there is, man, too bad it's not a refractor. This is a sticker, and this one is an on card. That one's a refractor. Y'all remember Molina, number to 75, blue. Mojo's not bad. Chris Davis, that's a nice one. And Ryan Zimmerman's okay. And then purple, chasing the hall. Alrighty, YouTube. I'll come to you when I get something else, either to break or I think I have some packages coming in. I think next week sometime. But alrighty, YouTube. Thanks for watching. The Hitman is out.